Understanding soil remediation, a key to environmental health. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our latest video. Today, we're going to dive into an important environmental topic, soil remediation. This term may sound complex, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what soil remediation is and why it's so crucial for our planet. Soil remediation refers to the processes used to clean and revive soil that has been contaminated. Contamination can occur due to various reasons, such as industrial activities, agricultural chemicals, or accidental spills. Remediation aims to reduce pollutants in the soil to safe levels, making the land usable again. It's a vital step in protecting the environment and human health. The significance of soil remediation lies in its impact on the environment and public health. Contaminated soil can harm plant life, affecting the entire food chain. It also poses risks to human health, as contaminants can transfer to crops or groundwater. By cleaning up polluted areas, we can prevent these risks and promote a healthier, safer environment. There are several methods of soil remediation, each suited to different types of contamination and soil conditions. Key methods include 1. Bioremediation. This uses living organisms, typically bacteria, fungi, or plants, to absorb or break down pollutants. 2. Physical remediation. This involves physically removing contaminated soil or treating it using techniques like soil washing. 3. Chemical remediation. This method uses chemicals to neutralize contaminants. Each method has its advantages and is chosen based on the specific needs of the contaminated site. While soil remediation is crucial, it faces challenges like high costs, technological limits, and the need for customized solutions for different contaminants. However, with ongoing research and technological advancements, new, more efficient methods are being developed. The future of soil remediation looks promising, as it becomes an integral part of sustainable environmental management. We hope this video has shed light on the vital topic of soil remediation. It's not just a technical process but a step towards a healthier planet and future. Thanks for watching, and remember, every effort to understand and protect our environment makes a difference. Stay curious, and see you in our next video.